one place for my own, another for anyone you'd like to know. And when I get back home and act like the king of Rome, it balances everything, helps with the low, and I feel like a carnivore, but I do think it's pitiful. With both hands by my side to take me for anything. So why did you hide? I don't wanna lay down low and feel like I'm in control. It damages everything. You better go. And I feel like a carnivore, but I do think it's pitiful. Get back home and act like the king of Rome. It balances everything, helps with the low. I don't wanna lay down low, feel like I'm in control. It damages everything. You better go. And I feel that you are on my side this time. And I do believe we're slow.